रामा फुल अच्छा नहीं किया आपने, बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं किया। Hi Katrina, I'm gonna reveal the truth about this. About one of your claims, which say that this product is 100% silicone free. While it's not. While it is not. Let me read out the silicone things for you. I will read out the full ingredient list and you decide if it is 100% silicone free or 100% silicone full. Ingredients: water, glycerin. Okay, yeah, water and glycerin, hydrating ingredients. Nice, very nice combination of ingredients in the first. But the next one is cyclopentasiloxane, which is a silicone octinoxate. I don't know what that is. Dimethicone. Zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, trimethyl siloxysilicate, which is again a silicone derivative. Sodium chloride. Dimethicone / PEG-10/15 cross polymer. Phenoxyethanol, potassium sorbate, sodium dihydroacetate, alumina, stearic acid, hydrogenated lecithin, triethoxycaprylylsilane may contain the C17707 and all that colors and all. So what do you say? Yeah? Why claim when it is filled with silicones as 100% silicone free? Ayyo Rama. Tell out no that it has silicones. What's the problem? The world is not against silicone as much as it used to be, right? So why lie? Why? Simply, I don't know why. Let's move on to the review of this. It is pink in color, not this lavender color, scary lavender color. I took too much out, so I removed the excess. And so I'm gonna put this on my face and we'll begin to talk about it. It definitely is hydrating, I agree. You can easily over apply this. You can definitely feel the silicone, but not as much as the 100% silicone primers, but you definitely can feel the silicone. The way it moves, you can tell that. Yeah? You think we are buddhu, so buddhu, that the world does not know what cyclopentasiloxane, dimethicone and whatever silicate that was is. I definitely felt that slip of the silicone. And yeah, that's the finish it gave. It definitely is hydrating, I agree, but it felt a little oily also because of the avocado and mango butters, so you can easily over apply this one, so be careful with that. Otherwise the finish is awesome. So I'm gonna just dust a little powder foundation over this and I'll come back. Sorry, the sun shifted and it's falling all over my face.
I'm hoping you are able to see. Are you? Wait, let me cover it up. Kind of. Yeah. That's how I'm having to sit. Oh, the sun. No, it didn't go. Sorry for the weird angle, but the sun has come out and it's falling all over my face. So I thought I'll just block it. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone.
See, fast. I'll zoom it in. It gives such a nice glowy finish. I did not apply any highlighter This is the natural dew that it has given out. It is good, but that's not my problem. Why did you lie? You thought you are Katrina Kaif. You tell 100% silicone free, everybody will blindly believe you. बुद्धू लग रहे क्या? अच्छा नहीं किया आपने, बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं किया. At least in one way it is good, so I'll forgive you. But yeah, people, don't buy it thinking it is silicone free. It has silicone, so buy it consciously. If you're okay with silicone, you can happily buy this product. If you're not okay with silicone, skip this product. That's what I will say, my final word. And I've used a new technique to correct pigmentation around my mouth, under my eyes. It gives a light correction, nothing heavy. Let me know in the comments below if you want a tutorial on this one. You will love it. Since there was too much sunlight falling on my face, I did not turn on the ring light all this while. Now I did in a very dim setting. So this is how it looks. Do you want me to compare this with 100% silicone primers? Let me know in the comments below. I'll do it. I do own 100% silicone primers, so I can compare it for you. My next post is going to be my haul, my pink. What sale was it? Some pink sale happened on Nykaa recently. Yeah, that haul. So if there's anything else, please leave in the comment section below. I love you. Please subscribe to my channel. There is that little red subscribe button down there, and hit the bell icon. If there's anything else, yeah, please like my video. Please like my video if you like it, that is. Okay, see you in the next video. Until then, do all these things, okay? I don't like. Okay. Okay. Bye.